Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to troubleshoot camera problems on WhatsApp desktop. If your camera is not working during a WhatsApp video call, the first thing you should check is your Windows camera settings. First, open Windows Settings. Now click on Privacy and Security from the left side, then select Camera. Here, you will see the camera permission settings for Windows. Make sure camera access is turned on. Next, make sure Let Apps Access Your Camera is also turned on. You should also check the option called Let Desktop Apps Access Your Camera. Make sure this option is turned on as well. These settings allow compatible applications on your computer to access the camera when a camera is available. Now, if you are using an external webcam, make sure it is properly connected to your computer. You can also check the camera device settings from this page. If another application is using your camera, close that application and then open WhatsApp Desktop again. After checking the camera permissions, return to WhatsApp Desktop. Open the video call option and check whether the camera is working. If you're still having problems, restart WhatsApp Desktop and try again. You can also restart your computer to fix temporary camera or application problems. If you do not have a built-in or external camera connected to your computer, WhatsApp cannot use a camera for video calls. In that case, you would need to connect a compatible webcam before testing the camera. So always check your Windows camera permissions first and make sure the required settings are turned on. And that's how you can troubleshoot WhatsApp desktop camera problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.